Hi, kindergarten. So over the past couple of weeks, we have been studying long vowels with silent or sneaky E at the end of words. So let's review. What is a vowel? So vowels are letters in the alphabet, and the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. And so far, we have studied A, I, O, and U. But we have one more vowel left, and that is letter E. Now, long vowel E is completely different from what we have been learning with our other vowels because long vowel E still will say its name E, but it works in a vowel team. So what are vowel teams? So some vowel sounds need to be spelled with two letters or two vowels together. Let's look at our first vowel team that we're going to be studying this week. So the vowel team that we're going to be working with this week is E, E. Now, with many of the vowel teams, the team will have the vowel sound of the first letter in the team. So the first letter in this team is E. So when we read the words, we're going to say the E sound. So when we see this picture of feet, we would say f-e-t. We would not say f-e-e-t. So let's do an example together, and then I'm going to let you do some on your own. So I see the vowel team E, E, but remember that means we only say the first vowel sound in this team, which is E. So when I'm going to sound out my word, I will say B-E. And when I blend it together, I get the word bee. Let's check it. Nice job. Now, let's try the next two on our own. Okay, so remember, here's our vowel team EE, but we're only going to say the first letter vowel sound, which is E. So say your sounds for each letter and blend it together. Okay, let's check our work. Did you say green? Great job. So the sounds are g, e, n. When I blend those sounds together, I get the word green. Nice work. Let's try one more on our own. Remember, you have your vowel team EE, but you say the E sound one time. Okay, let's check our work. Did you say C? So the sounds are S, E. Remember that vowel team means we only say the E once. So when I say the sounds S, E and blend it together, I get the word see. Nice work. Now we have one more vowel team to look at today. And so this vowel team is the vowel team E, A. Now remember, with many vowel teams, the team will have the vowel sound of the first letter in the team. So when we're reading the word bean, we don't say the sounds b, e, a, n. We say b, e, n, because the A is part of the team telling E to say its name. So let's look at some examples. I'm going to do one with you, and I'm going to let you try the rest on your own. Okay, so I see my vowel team E and A. But remember, A is part of the team that's telling E to say its name. So when I say these sounds, I'm going to say B, E, ch. When I blend the sounds together, B, E, ch, I get the word beach. Nice job. Let's try the next two on our own. Okay, so you have your vowel team E and A, but remember A is telling E to say its name. So say each sound and blend it together. Okay, let's check our work. Did you say clean? So the sounds are k, l, e, n. When I blend those sounds together, I get the word clean. Nice work. Let's try another one. Okay, you have your vowel team here. Remember, A is telling E to say its name. Okay, let's check it. Did you say dream? So the sounds are d, r, eam. When I blend those sounds together, I get the word dream. Nice job today working on your long vowel teams EE and EA. And we're going to practice these a lot throughout the week so that we become experts on our vowel teams for long E.